Good evening, everyone, and my name is Vaqar Khan, and I'm the equity research analyst at William O'Neill India. And I welcome you all to this year's last weekly market wrap. Without much ado, let's start with the analysis of market behavior this week. This week, Nifty gained 2.1% during the week and was in strong momentum throughout the entire week. On 3 out of 5 days, it closed higher, and on the remaining 2 days, on Wednesday and Thursday, it closed marginally lower. The positives for this week was no distribution days were added during the week, and Nifty reclaimed its 21 DMA and was able to sustain above the 21 DMA for the rest of the week. On the flip side, markets had very low volumes on account of year ending, and hence, without volume, this rally can falter as well going forward. As the entire globe is celebrating Christmas festivities, there was no major news events on the macro front. Now let's discuss the way forward for the market according to our William O'Neill's lens. Last week, we had shifted the market status to uptrend under pressure as Nifty had breached its follow through days lows as well as the recent correction lows, and the index is trading below its 50 DMA and 100 DMA. Going forward, we would like Nifty to reclaim its 50 and 100 DMA with volumes and retake its recent rally high of 17,640. If this happens, we will change the market status to confirmed uptrend. On the flip side, if distribution day gets piled up from the current count of 3, then we will have to change the market status to downtrend. In discussing the ups and downs of the market, I forgot to wish you all a happy new year. Happy new year to all our viewers from the William O'Neill India team and hope you enjoyed this week's market wrap.